Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel where your success is my #1 priority. Join me as I take on the challenge of transferring USDT from OKX to Binance in record time. Let's see just how fast and easy I can make this happen. In this video, you'll learn how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance easily and efficiently. This process can seem daunting if you're new to crypto transactions, but trust me, it's simpler than you think. Many users struggle with the complexities of transferring crypto assets between exchanges, leading to confusion and potential loss. I've seen it happen to friends and fellow enthusiasts who got lost in the process. It's frustrating, but today we're going to change that. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make transfers like a pro. We'll walk through the step-by-step process of initiating the transfer, including necessary details like wallet addresses and transaction fees. But first, why settle for slow, complicated transactions when you can have speed and simplicity? Alright, enough said. Let's dive in. The first step is to log into your OKX account and navigate to the wallet section. From there, select the USDT option and click on Withdraw. Make sure you have your Binance wallet address handy, as you'll need to enter it in the To field. Double check that you've copied the correct address from Binance. A small mistake here could lead to your funds going to the wrong place, and we want to avoid that. Next, decide how much USDT you want to move over to Binance. Keep in mind the network's minimum transaction amount. If it's your first time, I'd suggest transferring at least 100 USDT to cover any initial fees and receive a decent amount after the transfer. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. You'll then see the estimated fee for that transaction. The fee varies based on the blockchain network's congestion. So during peak times or when you transfer larger amounts, the fee can be higher. Once you've reviewed and accepted the fee, click Continue. You'll then need to input your withdrawal password, which helps keep your funds safe. Remember, this is different from your regular account password. If you don't have a withdrawal password, you can create one through the account security settings. Input your withdrawal password and click the Withdraw button. After clicking Withdraw, you should get a pop-up window that gives you a summary of your withdrawal details. This includes the amount of USDT you're withdrawing, the address where it's going, the fee, and the estimated arrival time on the blockchain network. Go over these details to make sure everything looks correct. If they do, click Confirm and submit your withdrawal request. Now that your withdrawal request has been submitted, you'll see a pending withdrawal notification. This simply means your withdrawal is waiting for its turn to be processed. The good news is that the processing time for USDT withdrawals on the OKX network is generally quite fast, often taking less than 20 minutes. However, due to the decentralized nature of blockchain networks, it's not uncommon for the confirmation process to take up to an hour. During this time, you can keep track of your withdrawal status in the wallet section of your OKX account. You'll see a countdown timer that lets you know how much time is left until your withdrawal is confirmed. Once the timer finishes, it means your withdrawal has been confirmed, and you should check your Binance account to see if the funds have arrived. And there you have it. That's how quick and easy transferring USDT from OKX to Binance can be. I bet it was a lot smoother than you expected. Now that you've mastered this process, you'll feel more confident navigating the world of crypto transfers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment below to let me know your thoughts. Also, remember to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and stay informed about all things crypto. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy trading.